What's going on? Today I have a nice Cornerstone quick tip for you, and it's how to replicate a style of a specific element in Cornerstone and then take that style and replicate it to any page that you want, all within the Cornerstone Builder with these tabs. Okay, so first let's find something that we want to change. And in this case, I want to change some of these example tasks that I've been doing for clients. And this one, live screen share training for best use of ChatGPT and Midjourney. I wish it said how to use ChatGPT to just automate crap like this. However, that's not an option yet. So for the meantime, this is a lot easier than it used to be. Okay, we're going to click on it and change the size of it. We'll make it a little bit bigger. We're going to make it a little bit lighter. And we're going to make it a little bit bolder. Look at that. Okay, so it's a nice subtle change. It makes it, stand out a little more than the way I had it previously. And what I used to do is I would then click on this and this would stick, and now it's not sticking. It zooms away and I have to go find it every time. So for like 2 weeks, this drove me completely insane. So I figured out that what Cornerstone allows now is to copy. And see, what's weird about it initially is, and why I didn't find it initially, is because it just says copy. It doesn't say copy style, yet when we right click on the next headline, we're going to paste style. Okay. So that's kind of weird. That's why it took me so long to figure it out, because it doesn't say copy style. It just says copy. So I assumed that when I pasted, I was just pasting the whole thing. That's not the case. You can paste the style of any element onto any element. That is awesome. It didn't used to be that way. That applies to columns, rows, headlines, text, images, edges, borders, whatever you can think of, it applies to all of that stuff. It's super cool if you're a nerd like me. So paste the style onto the headlines. So I want to just show you a few of these, and I think you get the point. We'll save this because that looks awesome. And then what I want to show you is that if I open up from here, if I click on this Cornerstone, this is all the pages of my website, right? So let me open up my old digital strategy page and see it pops open a new tab right on the top. And if I find another headline, let's just say I just don't like this headline, I just right click on it and paste the style. Not that that's better or worse. It's just showing you how you can just carry something over to any element on any page or in any global block or anywhere, and have that be the thing, that you don't have to go seeking it out over here anymore. So I think that's a big deal. And again, I would love to see AI automate all of these things via prompts. And I'm hoping that, like, by Cornerstone 7, that maybe is a reality, but it's just not yet. So these are big advancements, though. If you've been working with WordPress as long as me, you'll know that this used to all be done by code, and it was a real drag. So the Visual Builder is a step up. Having the ability to work within the Visual Builder like it's its own little operating system is a massive step up. Cornerstone Pro theme.